Hello guys, it's Jackie from the basement, happy with the Twist Acrylic Porous Plus, and we're going to try something. I just mixed the Artist Loft Floetrol Black with some Floetrol, and I'm going to try and do a little experiment here. I'm not sure I have enough paint on here, but this is the black. It's a 12 by 12, and I've got my neons over here. So we're going to try a little experiment. I have this Gooba Jobber. I think it's a cookie cutter. And I'm just going to set it down here. I have an idea. I know I've seen this done, but it has escaped my mind on how they did it. We're going to add some more of the black into there. Into that little hole there. Hopefully you can see it. And now we're going to pour some pink into here. Why I started at this end, I do not know. That pink could still use a little bit of water, I think. Okay, and now we're going to add some of the Amsterdam titanium. Just to see what happens here. Now, in theory, it should be coming out the bottom. In theory. Let's put on the base around it. See if it will suck out there or not. I hope everybody's having a wonderful, I think it's Saturday night. Don't ask me. I don't know my days anymore. Okay. Gonna kind of slide this around a little bit. Ooh. Well, that's rather cool. Okay, we're gonna try that same method over here. We're gonna, put a little less black in there. We're gonna go ahead with that pink again because that looks freaking awesome, I think. Or should we use another color? If you hear anything funky, it's my washer. I'm running a load of wash. Put the white in here for cells. I'm hoping. Oh yes, we want to put a little bit of that on the edges. Zoom, zoom, zoom. And now we're going to try this again, and wow, I may have come up with something that I wasn't aware of. Okay. Huh. We're going to try one more over here. Heck, maybe I've watched this. Just don't remember. Who knows? Use a little bit more white in that one. Okay. Did we? No, we didn't. Here I had all those pretty colors out there. Okay, I think I turned it. Oh, I think I'm lifting up way too fast. Boom. What are we seeing? What are we thinking? If you like pink and white and black, woo. Let's run the... Just waiting for anything to pop up. Boop. Definitely some cells in there. Dare I tilt it? Okay. Had a little bit of an accident here on the table a wee while ago. Okay. Things got turned around, upside down, half side, inside. Yeah. Okay. You know, I didn't even plan on doing anything this afternoon. Paint wise. Yet here we are, right? Okay, and I gotta remember, take off glove before trying to stop the camera. Alright. We're going to do a little tilting here. Actually, we're going to, pardon me for one moment, I'm going to put these paints down yonder. So they're not in my way. Okay. Now we're going to see if we can tilt. I'm going to try and bring it up. Yeah, of course I run into a... Okay. What are we thinking? Yeah. I'm kind of enjoying this one. Let's bring you down for a close-up. After I get this one glove off. Okay. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Hang on a moment. I almost used a dirty hand on my camera. You should see the camera case though. Not pretty. Okay, let's try this again. Helmets and seatbelts, please. Oops, and here we go. Almost interrupt you. Okay, you know what? I'm going to look at it like this. Okay, yes, there's more black I need to put on here. But look at those cells. Ooh. And I'm not sure what made those cells exactly. Was it the white? Was it the black? But wow, look at that smoky effect there. Ooh, I like that. Yes, I do. Let's go on to this one. I'm sorry, I keep on turning you guys around. Okay. Wow. Okay, I'm really very pleased with this. And Trying not to get my sleeve in there. But, ooh, these cells just keep on popping up, don't they? Wow. That could almost look like a little fishy head with his mouth open, or not. Well, okay, guys. Yeah, happy accident, right? I hope everybody has a wonderful Saturday evening. And, take care. Be safe. And thank you to my subscribers. If you haven't subscribed yet, just go ahead and click that little button and hit that bell so you'll know when Crazy Lady's gonna be back or has been back and totally, yeah, you totally missed her. So, everyone take care. Bye-bye.